Hey guys, what's up? Joker. Thanks for clicking on my video and seeing what I have to offer. I've been wanting to vlog for a while now, and I just didn't know what exactly I wanted to do because I'm not famous, I'm not a celebrity. I don't have a bunch of money to buy a bunch of equipment. So what I did is I got a couple tripods, some gimbals, an action cam, GoPro, so that way I can take you guys along with me and see if you guys like my videos or not. So since I'm not famous, celebrity, I don't have a bunch of followers, what I decided to do is I'm going to go to a different event or location in Arizona for the next 7-8 weeks. I'll do one video a week, and after the 8 weeks I'm going to travel to Hawaii. I'll take you guys along with me. I'll show you all the different places in Hawaii, different waterfalls, hikes, deep sea fishing. I'll island hop a little bit, and I'll vlog all the trips I do out there too. If you like what you see, let me know, and if you guys want to see more, I'll also do daily vlogs once a day, but for now I'm just going to do once a week until I start getting some following built up. If you do like it, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Everything's at Veteran Joker. I hope you guys like what you see and join the Joker family. And I'm on a budget, so that's why I'm doing all this. I want to show that anyone can start vlogging or doing YouTube videos. If you just really want to be creative and it's something you want to do, that don't let money or equipment and any of that stuff hold you back. So I want to show you guys that. I'm going to be shooting this with the iPhone 7s and with a GoPro. I did spend a little bit of money on equipment to get the gimbal so the videos aren't shaky, so it's a lot smoother, and even editing software. I'm going to try to do most of the editing through apps and programs I have on the phone. I know you're going to say, oh, that sounds really cheap and, you know, going to look shitty, but I think we can actually make some good quality and show you that even with the apps provided on iPhones, I mean, everybody has a phone on them. Most people have an iPhone or a nice Android, and they also shoot very good video. So we're going to shoot in mostly iPhone and GoPro, and then I'm going to upload everything onto the phone, and I'm going to edit it in the apps that I have. I found a couple good apps. Even for color correction, there's a couple good apps for color correction. So we're going to do the apps that I've downloaded to edit everything and splice it all together, and show you that if being creative and shooting videos is what you want to do, whether it's vlogging, pranks, or you have some good ideas for little TV shows or skits you want to do, you don't need a lot of money to start. Once I start getting a following, subscribers, I will buy some better equipment, especially when I go to Hawaii. But I just want to show you, if you want to be creative, you want to have fun, you want to do this stuff, don't let money hold you back. Most people have an iPhone or an Android. You can shoot right from it, and I'm going to prove that with an iPhone and with a GoPro that we're going to make some good vlogs together. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys join the Joker family and come along with me. If there's some places you want me to check out, either in Arizona or Hawaii, or places nearby, even surrounding states, I'll check them out. I'll go check them out for you guys, and I'll vlog it all with you guys, show you guys the best parts, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching this video and giving me a chance to see if you even like me or not. And I hope you do, and I hope you subscribe.